Hi, I'm attorney Demitrus Evans of the Evans International Law Firms, and today I am going to be talking to you about the impact of tariffs on pricing. Today, we're diving into a pressing issue that could affect every consumer in the U.S., the potential impact of new tariffs on Mexican imports. Let's explore what this means for consumers and retailers alike. So understanding tariffs. Basically, tariffs are taxes that are imposed on imported goods. They increase the cost of goods from imported countries into another country, impacting the ultimate price for consumers who buy those goods. Now, how does this work? When a tariff is imposed, importers pay the government a percentage of the value of the imported goods. This additional cost is often passed on to the consumer in the form of higher prices. So, tariffs on Mexican imports. The proposed tariffs. The U.S. has proposed a 25% tariff on Mexican imports as a response to ongoing immigration issues. This could significantly impact the cost of goods imported from Mexico. What goods? The tariffs would impact a wide range of goods, including produce, electronics, automotive, and clothing, all of which are imported into the U.S. from Mexico. Uncertainty and volatility. The uncertainty surrounding these tariffs has already created a volatile shake in the market, with businesses and consumers alike bracing for such a potential threat. The impact on consumers. Higher prices. The most immediate impact on tariffs is likely to be higher prices for consumers in a wide range of goods. Reduce purchasing power. Higher prices can erode consumers' purchasing power, leading to reduced spending on other goods and services. Inflationary pressures. Tariffs can also contribute to inflationary pressures as businesses pass on the increased costs to consumers. Impact on the retailer. There would be a reduced profit margin if tariffs are increased. Tariffs can significantly reduce retailers' profit margins as they may be unable to pass on all of the increased taxes to customers. Loss of customers. Obviously, if you pass on the cost to consumers and customers, they may not pay. So higher prices can lead to a loss of customers as consumers seek out cheaper alternatives or reduce their overall spending on the product. The supply chain disruption. Tariffs can also disrupt supply chains as retailers need to find new sources of goods or face delays and shortages. There are some strategies that we can talk about. Negotiation of prices. Businesses can try to negotiate lower prices with suppliers, but this can also be difficult in a volatile market. Reduce costs. Retailers can implement cost-cutting measures, such as reducing the number of inventory or products that you would bring in from the country, or streamlining operations, meaning cutting down on anything that is non-essential, including any type of employees that you could let go, you would. Increase prices. They can also increase the price of the product that's coming from abroad, and this would be able to compensate for higher costs, but this can also lead to customer dissatisfaction and a loss of sales when customers do not want to pay the increase. Diversify sourcing. Businesses may need to diversify their sourcing to reduce their